Let me introduce you to Daily Log. This software will help you keep track of all the activities that go on at your job site each day, from keeping individual worker or crew timesheets to logging in equipment and material deliveries and the usage of that material and equipment, transmittals and submittals, inspections and site visitors, job site accidents, right down to the weather for the day. The software also allows you to attach pictures, files, and images to help keep track of all these activities. Now let's start by looking at the daily log. When you log into your daily log software, the first screen you will see is a listing of the projects you are working on. The project setup and assigning the projects and tasks to the project managers and employees is done from the master setup on the web app. To create or start your daily log for the day, you simply choose the project that you're going to work on, and then you hit the plus sign in the corner to start a daily log. You'll enter your arrival date and time, the summary of tasks, and then you will hit the Save button. You will now see that you have a daily log started for today in progress, so you can start your work.